Ew, the water looks pretty gross here. I guess I'll just go swimming further down the beach. Beach closed, high algae levels, no swimming. Looks like I won't be swimming here for a while. It's a good thing our county tests the water quality in our local lakes and rivers. In fact, the county does a lot to keep us healthy. Did you know that the majority of a county's budget goes towards health and human services programs? These help residents have all the things they need for a safe and healthy life.
Counties need health departments to keep the entire population healthy. People go to their doctor to take care of their health, but their doctor is focused on the individuals that come to see them and only those individuals typically. A local health department is concerned about the health of the entire population.
All right. Well, the kitchen looks good.
Thank you.
Been busy cleaning, I see.
Yep.
We do restaurant inspections. We go in and make sure that they're storing food properly, that they're preparing it properly, it's being served properly, because if they miss any important steps along the way, people can become very sick from eating that food. In the summertime, we have a lot of waterways here, lakes and rivers, and people like to swim on those beaches. So we have staff who will go to the beaches, they take samples of the water, we send it to a lab, and the lab does a test on that water. They look for things like blue-green algae that can make both people and animals sick, cause things like really bad vomiting and diarrhea and rashes that are extremely uncomfortable.
Did you know that almost all kids 18 and younger can get basic checkups and shots through the county public health department if their family doesn't have insurance? County services like this can save as many as 33,000 lives throughout the country.
We have a Vaccines for Children program, so we provide immunizations to kids up to the age of 18. We get all of our vaccines free from the federal government, so people's tax money pays for those vaccines. We get them here for free, therefore we administer them to people for free. And we focused on those people who don't have any insurance. We provide shots for kids that protect them against whooping cough, chickenpox, measles. And those types of diseases can be very dangerous for kids. Once in a while we get outbreaks, and so it's important that everyone still continues to receive their immunizations, even though people say, well, those diseases aren't really around anymore. The reason that they're not around is because we're providing immunizations to those kids. The health department also takes care of your teeth and tries to help you have a bright smile. We go to every school in Wood County that has a second grade population, but we also see other kids in that school who might be older and might be having dental problems. We have a dental hygienist that works for us, so she will put the kids in a chair, take a good look in the mouth, look for any problems with the teeth, and then she puts on what are called dental sealants. It's like a coating that goes over the back of the teeth to fill in the grooves so that food doesn't stick in there and cause cavities. She will also put on something called fluoride varnish, which is like vitamins for the teeth, and a little paintbrush just paints on the fluoride varnish, and it's done in a couple of minutes.
The county also offers programs for people with physical and mental disabilities, senior citizens, and those struggling with drug and alcohol abuse.
Mental health services, drugs and alcohol services are done collaboratively with other organizations. Everybody knows somebody who is struggling with an issue. Sometimes it's a mental health issue, a drug issue, an alcohol issue. Maybe you know a friend that's thinking about committing suicide. The health department is one door that you can open to help yourself or friends obtain the services that they need. There are lots of places that we can get help for people, and the health department is one of those places.
So you clip across her hips, just like her infant seat.
Sometimes when babies are born, the parents aren't quite sure how to take care of them. So we work with families, we go to their homes on a regular basis and make sure they know how to care for that baby so that the baby can grow and develop and be healthy. Sometimes they don't have a car seat even, and we will give them a car seat as well, so that when they're driving around, that baby is safe. If they have an accident, hopefully he or she won't get injured.
Counties also offer food and housing assistance for families struggling to make ends meet. They also provide social services like family counseling and investigate reports of child abuse or neglect.
You may not think what the health departments in counties do is as important as what the governor and the president does, but if the health department were not there, you would notice. What the health department does is a very, very important part of county government.
The health department says this lake is safe, so I'm going to enjoy the water. Remember, the county does a lot to keep you and your family healthy every day.